Hi, my name is David Bird. I am here today to show you about the Salesforce to QuickArrow integration. This integration moves data between two entities in Salesforce, the accounts and opportunities, and processes that data into QuickArrow via their client and project entities. The mechanism we use to trigger this data to go across is the use of workflow rules in Salesforce and the outbound messages. In addition, because of several constraints Salesforce imposed upon us, we generate a record on a child object called the outbound message object. We have one for the account and one for the opportunity. The outbound message objects are typically built when a parent entity qualifies for a push to QuickArrow. This typically occurs when on the opportunity, for example, when the probability for that opportunity is greater than 60% or some percentage, or they've checked a box on there called send to QuickArrow. The child record on either the account OBM object or the opportunity OBM object has an indicator checkbox on it that says this record's been sent. When it's been processed in QuickArrow and QuickArrow's done with it, the integration will update that to be unchecked. So this allows for transactional processing, and it's viewable by the user knowing that, hey, we've sent a transaction over and has it successfully come back and completed. All right, the client records are always one-to-one. There's no variation from that. And typically, the opportunity is also one-to-one. However, there are a few variations. The first variation was a company called Acceleris. They built three checkboxes, three kind of send to QuickArrow checkboxes on the opportunity. And when each one was checked, it built a unique OBM record with identified by the type that was identified by the checkbox. Then these one of three OBM would be pushed over to QuickArrow, building 1, 2, or 3 projects based upon what they checked. Second variation uses line items, and when each line items entered in, it can be determined if they want to send just that line item on the opportunity over or not. And this can build 1, 2, 3, however many line items are on the opportunity. Line item could be like a license, which isn't a service engagement, so you probably wouldn't build a project for it, but you could have attached to that same opportunity with a license, installation, training, integration, and other professional services. Each one of those line items would be its own individual project that we built out that is involved with services. So you can be discriminatory based upon the line item, which one you want pushed over and which one you don't. Third variation is BFA. They did line items exactly the same way, except they just wanted, when an opportunity qualified, to be able to push everything over. The previous one, you had to manually choose each one and push them over one at a time. This way, they wanted to just check the box on the opportunity and have everything that qualifies be pushed over. And lastly, SunQuest used line items, and when an opportunity was told to push, they pulled all the qualifying line items and grouped them by a RevRec group code based upon the product. So looking at example below, opportunity line item 1 and 2 have a group code of A, which would build just one project. Opportunity line item 3 has a group code B, it would build a second project. That's it for the demonstration of and discussion of how the integrations from Salesforce to QuickArrow work. Please watch my other demos that actually show a live demonstration of each.